Good morning.
Good morning, sir.
What about others?
Good morning, sir.
Very good morning, Sahadev. When you came back to Bangalore?
Yesterday night, sir.
Over marriage.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Then how is your preparation?
It will start, sir.
Yeah, you have to start now. No other option. This time maximum offline only. Right. Why only few people are there? What about others? And post the message. Right. We will start. Let them join. Anyway, only two slides are there. That's all. So we had discussed advanced filtering and search as interfaces. So some more examples are there. Advanced filters. Some of the sites are available. So Blue Nile uses dynamic queries to narrow down to results of the search trees. Here the double sliders were adjusted to the only lower price diamonds. So based on the prices they have displayed it. So even you can see the website. So here is that. So now, for example, you have the advanced searches is nothing but if you want only diamonds, I can go for the diamonds. See in the diamonds, what and all you are having. So these are all the specific advanced filters. So instead of the going for the gold shop, what are all available in that case, so we can go for the filtering, advanced filtering. So engagement rings are available. So engagement rings, what and all you are having, so you can see it. So radiant, rose gold, customs, world, round, so pair. So all these things are available. Which one you want, you can select it. For example, if I select it round, so it is a you'll be getting the information. So here also you have the prices. So these were the ratings, all these things, the feedback, you can see it here, advances such as what and all it is available. So for example, if you are having the prices, so you can take the minimum or maximum values. Shape is round. So metal is, we'll take the platinum. Material, you can go for this. So what and all you want. So this is what the available rings and examples they have given. So this is what the available informations. So ratings, cost, all these things. See, all the informations are available. So these were the advanced search. So like this, you can go for the wedding rings, and you have the diamonds, platinum, jewelries. You can go. So earrings. So for example, I'll go for precious metals. So again, you have the price list and what and all you are having the maximum how much you want. So you can take it and enter it here. For example, if I want 700, so minimum and maximum. So metals, so 14K or 18K or whatever you want. So earring styles, so models, you can select it which one you want. So here also you can select it which one you want. And items, so 24, if you take it, sort by low to high. So here it is available, see here low to high. So only this much it is available in this. So like this, you can go for the all the options, view appointment, store. So examples, many are there. This is what the advanced searching. So this is what the advanced searching. Filtering is nothing but you can go for the search for the diamonds. So search for the diamonds, what and all we have taken that one. So prices, based on the prices also they have displayed it. Search for the diamonds. So you can go for the diamonds and actually data view all the diamonds. See here. So huge data it is available. So whatever it is available in this, see PPTs. So here whatever it is available blue dot. So online also you can see it here. Online the filters are available, so you can search it and you can get it there online. So these were the prices. That means what I told you, advanced search and what all the informations you want, you can take it. So everything it is clear. See here, space, price, chart, cut, color, clarity, delivery date. All these things are available. So you can go for all also. See here. Many things are available. So which one you want, you can select it and you can give the order for the rings, whatever it is available. These are the advanced search examples, and this example why we are discussing is nothing but you have the many items, even you can filter and you can take it which one you want. For example, available items and when it will be the delivery. So delivery I want bit fast. So which one it is available that I can take it the for giving the order. So that is what the delivery for the item. These are the interfaces they have done for the advanced filters. So see here, these were the advanced filters. So here you can available, so you can go for the price, earrings. So like this you can select all the things. So minimum amount, maximum amount. So here even you can take it 24, whatever you want, you can filter it and you can check it out the items. That is what the whatever they have given here, that is what the filtering. So you can see here two windows, the similarly examples also we have seen. So reset the filters also. So see now maximum price is this much. So minimum price is this much. So minimum price is nothing but from here to here. Suppose if you are entering some of the big amount, for example, if I enter 1 lakh, it is automatically it is taking 263 only. So that is what the prices. So this is what the example for the BlueNail.com uses the dynamic queries for the advanced filters. So example you can take, and when you are writing the examination, some of the rows and columns you write in the table. So whatever you need to write the shape, color, card, chart, some of the examples, some rows and columns should be visible when you are writing in the examination. Advanced filters is nothing but that one you have to write it in the examination. That is what the advanced filters. So last unit I feel bit easy only. So only thing is you have to see once in the textbook whatever it is available. So next one is called you have the advanced filters, and one more examples also it is available. One more examples is nothing but so even you can see the hivegroup.com. So hivegroup.com, one more examples here. For example, this one is nothing but the last one is nothing but we have seen this one, and we'll go for the other one. So this is nothing but the Blue Nile. So advanced filters. So here also you have the flamenovbrookers.edu is available. Some of this one, I'll come back to this one later. Now we'll go for this one, www.hivegroup.com. So here some of the information it is available. So what Amazon, shop.amazon.com, they have taken some of the informations. So here you have the HIVE's groups, it is available. Read plus more informations, and you can click it here. Some of the informations it is available. So visual.com, and you can enter the galleries here. About the galleries, see here, this one the whatever the schedule for the tours, wherever you want, see the maximum pictures how it is available. So you can check one by one, and whatever where you want to visit, something like that, you can go for the online visit, schedule the tour. So this is what they have done for this one. Still you have the many items, COVID-19, US recovery plans now, COVID-19, some of the informations they have given it, that's all. So this is what the link they have given 1-to-1, that is what the advanced filters. So advanced filters is nothing but this one only. So like this you have the some of the hivdiamond.com. So anyway, this is some of the filters are available. So flame maps or third generation visual applications. See, even they have taken some of the informations here. So with this, they have drawn the graph. Excel sheet, how we are displaying, for example, results I want to display it for this academic year. So first year, second year, third year. So I can show it. So how much percentage, first semester, second semester. So similarly here also, they have taken the flare maps, third generation applications. See, like this, you have the many examples, helpline organization, identity, and access the threads. So Navi people accessing the threads. Suppose if somebody is attacking, or somebody, if they're doing something, before itself they're attacking. So if somebody is entering somewhere in our land, so they can be able to find it. That is what they doing. So manages the operations risk. See, whenever the industries are there, automatically risks will be there. This is nothing but the visual action continues to set the bar on purple visualization technologies. They have used the purple technologies. So this is nothing but the monitoring the performance. So performance he is checking for the some of the successful applications, means that users can actually do their jobs from the interfaces. When they are doing the interfaces, they have to do something. Interfaces is nothing but connecting from one to one. So some of the people, you people have done it, the mini projects. So like drip irrigation, all these things. When you do interfaces, that means what? Whenever you are implementing that, you have to check whether it is working properly or not, whether it is any disturbances giving for others or what. All these things, human disturbances, all these things, you need to check it out. That is what they are doing, that one. So like this, you have the some of the messages. This is what the blue.com HIV. So this one you can take it, you can click it one by one. So you'll be getting some of the information somewhere, this one. So here is what they have done is, users can review the waterproof binoculars in the catalog of the Amazon.com. So Amazon.com, they want to check it out the catalogs. So they want to bifurcate one item, how much it is sold out or whatever it may be. So they want to find out, they can find out. So any manufacturers they'll be doing analyzing the business based on the data only. So that means what? Once if they send it to the public for the selling purpose, how much it is sold out for the particular year. Suppose if it is going down, how to improve it? So you might be seeing the two wheelers, four wheelers, car, all these things. So every year they are displaying how many cars sold out, how much growth happened. The similarly IT companies, all these things they are showing. That is what the advanced filters, and even you can see this one also. So flame nco dot berkeley.edu.examples. So even you can type it this also. So you'll be getting the this was the informations for this one. So video, some of the diagrams, pictures, it is available in this. So HTTP clean. So I'll click that also. You feel AAME NCO dot BRKELEY dot edu. So this is the examples we are having here. So even click it, some of the diagrams it is available. So in this one is nothing but the metadata search. Faces includes the media, location, day to themes. All these things you can check it out here. Themes, demos, downloads, documentation. So you can go for the downloads, documentation, see the project documentations. So introduction, all these things it is available. Request. Yeah, we have to install some of the softwares here to visible all these things. So some of the codes they have given displaying the information, that's all for the searching. This is nothing but the advanced search only. So advanced search, so like this you will be getting. So you know that many examples you might have seen the advanced filters. So like so this is one example, and one more example is nothing but this one. So what is that called? HIVgroup.com. So these were the advanced filters. This is where the end of the syllabus for the UIT. All 50 units completed entire syllabus. I'll send it PPTs. Now just I will open some of the question papers what they have asked. So already I have asked you to write some of the assignment. So some of the people submitted already, some of the people still late submission is going on. Still I have not started the corrections. I'll do it probably tomorrow, day after tomorrow. So what are the questions they have asked in the fourth and fifth? First unit and second unit already have done it. We have seen what they have asked. Now we'll see, let us see what they have asked in the fifth unit. Right. Is it visible question paper? Sahadev? Rajesh?
Sir, it's
Huh?
yes, sir.
Visible. Okay. See here. what they've asked, explain about the shaping of the content of the manual or documentation. The first question, three are there. I told you in this one, 15 last chapter. One is called the documentation, how to make the manual documentation. Another one is called the multimedia. Another one is called the advanced filters. See, in this question paper, they were asked. One is called the manual documentation. No? Second one is called the write the brief about the multimedia documentation. No? 10 marks direct questions you see in this one. So, in previous question papers, if you go at the fourth unit, discuss the various models of the response time impacts. Mention the different basic guidelines for the preparing the error messages. So, basic the guidelines. So, guidelines for the documentation we have studied error messages. So, what it will be happening that one only. So, error documentation messages also same thing only. Next is called this already we have done it the fifth unit. The last question is nothing but the write a short notes on pillars of the four pillars designing virtual and augmented realities, online tutorials. These also 15 unit only. Information's visualization. These also 15 unit only. So this is what the last question paper. First 4 or 5 questions already we have done it, and sixth one and seventh one and eighth one only. So probably sometimes seventh question paper always eighth one is nothing but the combinations of all. Anyway, yours is internal site CBSE syllabus. Yours is every unit 2 questions they will be given. Every unit 2 questions will be given. So you have to learn it entire syllabus. So here for them is if they study 3 to 4 units, it's more than sufficient to get the clearing that one. But yours is not like that. You have to study entire thing. Now this is the MCA department question paper. This one. Now here is nothing but they explain the color guidelines of the interactive interfaces. So guidelines for something they have asked. You don't bother for the any examples they have asked. You have to write the interfaces is nothing but when you are connecting one to one, what are the interfaces? That is what the question here. Another one is called the write the guidelines for the effective error messages. Same question what they asked there. Here also same thing. So error messages, what error messages can be written with respect to the examples we need to discuss. So textbook one examples we have discussed. The here also same thing we need to discuss the with respect to one examples. Next is called the compare and contrast the reading of the paper versus the display. So already we have done it the fifth unit first chapter. First is this one only. When you are reading the paper and when you are going for the digital, what is the differences we need to discuss. Some of the projects also they have done it online circulars. Some of the people you have done it no online circulars. So all these things when you go for the digital, what will happen? That one only this question also. Compare and contrast the reading from the paper versus display. Next is called the explain the preparations of the printed manuals. So these are printed manuals. So this is what this one and short notes is nothing but explain everything. And for 6 questions we have done it. Fifth unit is nothing but this already we have done it. So task involving the pointing devices, explain the abbreviations, strategies. These questions already we have given. Abbreviations and strategies for the guidelines for the using the abbreviations. So second question, second test we have given this question already. Now 6, 7. So this is what the 2 question papers they have asked in MCA. So almost this is what the recent one 10th syllabus and maximum syllabus. So some of the textbook it was different. So some of the 1 or 2 questions it is not matching that one because their syllabus was different. Which one it is our syllabus? You can consider that questions. That's it. Now, for example, if you go for the engineering also a bit different is there. But which one is suitable for us? You can take it. That's all. Here is what is the task for the object personal role manager? Explain the object's actions interface model and the website designing. So because their syllabus is different, this is not suitable for us. So principles of the user interface design. We don't know which textbook there for them the preference or textbook and references books. Ours is different and theirs is different. So that is what the questions you see here. Assignments also almost same questions only have given it. Already you have written it. Sahadev, Rajesh.
Yes, sir.
So what we have given assignment questions. So almost the same only we have given, no?
Yes, sir.
Assignment ada UID assignment. No UID. Where is the UID assignment? Case study, lab assignment. Case study. See somewhere UID assignment. Where is that? What I've given? We can check it out. Last. Discuss advanced filters and search the interfaces. Recently only we have discussed this. Next is analyze the data types of task, taxonomy, informations and visualizations. Next is discuss the challenges of informations and visualizations. Next is discuss and write for your project pull down, pop down toolbar menu and hot links in the single menu with the example, single menu items. Because in our syllabus, 4th unit, 5th unit, first chapter is this one only. That is the reason I have given data visualization taxonomy. Based on our syllabus, I have given. Compare the principles and direct manipulations of the visual thinking and icons. So this is what one question assignment. Another one assignment is nothing but analyze multimedia document searches. Last unit. Next is creating the shape content of the manuals or documentations and mentions the different basis of the guidelines for the preparations of the error messages. So this also they have given question paper also they have asked and syllabus also we had discussed. Next is analyze online versus the paper documentation. This is also one question they have asked, 10 marks question. Another one is analyze online communication for the users interfaces. Now you see these two question papers, if you are these two assignments, if you are perfect, probably you can write the 5th question easily. So probably you can write 5th question paper, 5th question easily in your examination. So that is what the syllabus for the assignment. So next class onwards we can go for the revisions. So any doubt if you are having 5th unit, you can ask me. Like multimedia documents, that one multimedia documents, such one only, this one only, this 5 points you have to write it, multimedia documents. Then examples with respect to your own examples you write it. But this examination, these 6 points you need to mention it properly. Net searches and documents also same thing. These 5 points you need to discuss it. 5-phase framework clarity, use the interfaces and textual searches, formulation, initiation search, review of the results, refinement use. So this is what you need to learn it properly, and the database query textual, how you are searching this. So this is what the searching the terminologies. You can go for online documents also, guidelines. So this is what the online demonstrations and the guidelines. That's what they've asked in the examination also, this one only. So online documentation guidelines, demonstrations of the systems, how you are doing, how you are writing. So online tutorials, somewhere they've asked the questions, this one only, online tutorials. Online help, manuals 1, manuals 2, this and all we have discussed, see here. Next is online help also. Next is organization, writing the styles, basics questions, guidelines for the user manuals. This is what we have discussed for the in 5th unit. So discovery for provides online tutorials, electronic is one, user manuals and guidelines for the practicals. So shaping for the content manuals. So this is what you have to write the manuals for this one. So paper versus the displays. So this is what you have to write it for the examples for the reading papers versus go for the online display. This is what the examples we had discussed, and you have to write this one. This is what the user documentation and online help. So we need to explain the examples. Right. Sahadev, Rajesh.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
I hope I have covered the entire thing.
Yes, sir.
So only thing is you have to read it now. My job over and your job is left out now. Okay. So everybody has submitted the assignment.
No, sir. Today is the last date, no? I will send. I will upload today, sir.
Okay, okay. So whoever not submitted the assignment, please try to submit it as early as possible. Don't cross the deadlines because we are helpless. College, whatever they are giving the instructions for the internal assessment, also you have seen what has to be done. Correct now? So they will tell it sometimes do late submission, don't correct it, all these things because this year is connected to all higher ups also. So deadlines, please try to maintain that one. So we don't know whether they will be conducting third test offline or what. Be ready for offline. Okay, still we didn't get any informations. So how they are conducting, we don't know. So please be ready. So like first test, second test may not be happening. So here be different. Fifth unit, not only this subject, every subject you have to read it. Only thing is you need to read once textbook, that's all. Then you can write it because fifth unit you can write it, but at least you have to remember the headings. What Rajesh?
Yes, sir.
Headings is the most important now.
Actually, sir, it is very important.
Ajay, Ajay,
Yes, sir.
hey, what you are doing, Ajay?
Network issues.
Network issue. Best answer, yeah. Teacher cannot say anything. You are in the city only, Hosur.
No, sir. I came to my native on some work.
Okay, okay, right. So syllabus completed. Anybody is having 15 doubt, please let me know. Otherwise, we can stop. I'll take the attendance. Okay. I hope you understood UID. So UID is totally theory. So only thing is you have to write it. That's all. You have to remember the main headings and you have to write it. That's all you have to do it. So my suggestion: don't leave a fifth unit. Somebody will be thinking already. That is also one reason to give me less marks first test. So my intention was to write again all the three tests, all of you. So write third test. So who are having 1 or 2 marks shortage also you can get it now, I hope. Okay. I hope everybody will write third test also. So don't think already I am having 33, 34 marks or I don't want a third test. Don't say like that. Write it. So you will get benefited. That much I can say. That's all. What Ajay? Ajay
Yes,
will
sir.
write. Ajay will write because I know no option for Ajay. Ajay has to write it only. So others also I am telling. So if you have 35, 36, still you have chance to increase the marks. So you can try to get it 38, 39, 40 also. So third test always bit liberal. So all of you write it. Not only few people, everybody has to write it. What Naina?
So portion is fifth module, right, sir?
Fourth also half is there, na madam.
Okay. Okay, sir.
Fourth and fifth both will keep up.
Okay, sir.
Too much, eh?
No, sir. That's
Okay.
okay.
Otherwise, fifth unit full and fourth is second module. First module you can leave it, no problem. Second, fourth unit, second module. I'll 1 second. I'll open the syllabus copy.
Okay.
UID course file. You check it out where it is available. Course file UID. So command line natural language, this one here. So we'll keep which one? Quality service and words will keep.
Yes, sir.
Quality service from here. Okay. Quality service is one chapter. Quality service, this one. So I'll see that if I'm not getting one or two questions, I'll take from this one. If I'm not getting 5 questions, probably I'll get it. So if I'm not getting, I'll see that this question, one choice will be there in one, or question I'll go for this. I will not put both the questions from this side. So quality of service, user documentation, online help, this one only. So this is what the 5th unit and 4th last chapter. So that is called the quality of service and this one. So remaining, I hope 4th unit command languages we have given. I hope command languages you have written for the second test. So we'll leave with this one, keyboards, all keywords, key point devices, all these things. You can study for the later. So these two you study it. Any doubt now? Test syllabus also over. I hope, when is the test? January? January 4, 5, 6, I hope. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday we'll get it. So before that we'll conduct other things, assignments, mind over, laboratories. You have to talk to your teachers, probably they may conduct this one only. Let's see. So next week you can enjoy with the techniques, 2 to 3 days. You can try to involve all these things can be done. Okay, I'll take the tennis. Any doubt now for test syllabus also I have told you. So I'll send PPTs now, this one. You can see it. So take printout and wherever it is required, the still more points you can write down. Right. Answer your attendance. 2, 2, 3,
Yes, sir.
4,
Yes, sir.
5,
Present, sir.
6, 6. Apurva. 7,
Yes, sir.
8,
Yes, sir.
9, 10. Gaurish. 11. Gautami. 12.
Present, sir.
13. Harini. 15.
Present, sir.
16. Naina.
Present, sir. Present, sir.
17.
Present, sir.
18. 18.
Present, sir.
19. Pradeep. 20.
Present, sir.
21. 22.
Present, sir.
23. 24.
Present, sir.
25. Anand. 26. Santosh. 27.
Yes, sir.
28. 29.
Present, sir.
30.
Present, sir.
31. 33.
Present, sir.
34.
Present, sir.
50.
Present, sir.
51.
Present, sir.
52.
Present, sir.
53. 54.
Present, sir.
55. Kavya. 56.
Present, sir.
57.
Present, sir.
58.
Present, sir.
59.
Present, sir.
60.
Present, sir.
61. Paresh. 62.
Present, sir.
63.
Present, sir.
64. 64. Pratibha. 65. 66. 67. 68,
Present, sir.
69,
Present, sir.
70. Sridhar, 71, 72, 73,
Present, sir.
74, 75, 76,
Present, sir.
77. Okay.